Oh, guys, this is another vlog.
RJ! Oh.
Hi, your baby has died.
I got a messed up baby now.
Okay, so now
My baby's a soccer ball.
we're doing a burping contest between those two. That is
Fat versus kinda skinny.
he's the annoying thing. That's what I think of him every day.
Okay, let's get this party started.
I'll be the judge, so let's do this.
No, wait, let them be the judge.
Okay, so I'm going to give my score, but you guys can give your score in the comment section below. John is up first. Out of 5, I'll give that about a 4. Stone's turn. You burp like a...
Round two.
I'll give Stone a 0.
Round 2.
Ooh, I gotta give that one out of 5 a 5.
I was laughing burping.
Exactly. Okay, Stone's turn.
Vomit burp. That's fun.
Come on, dude.
That's all I got.
Okay, even though it wasn't...
Round 3.
I'll give Stone a 1 for trying.
Okay, round 3, okay?
Mm-hmm. I'll give that about maybe a 3. Wasn't that enjoyable?
Okay, this guy's a demon.
Okay, Stone, it's your turn. This is the final round, so give it all you got, and you might just win it, beat him by getting a... You burp. Oh God, it's stinking. I'll give him a 3. So guys, leave what you think of the round. Ow! Give your scores for them, and don't go towards the light, mother bleepers.
As always, from RSJ Studio, Barbarian Blast, whatever that,
Reeser, Barbarian's Blast, and the Reese Rocks.
whatever the butt else we said, peace off.